You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. In British English, it is said as kosher. Kosher, stress on the first syllable. In American English, it is normally pronounced as kosher. Kosher in American English, kosher, or kosher in British English. And now you know, more videos for you here on how to say more vocabulary that many get wrong. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. At least like, it only takes a second. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.